Here is what the foundation row will look like. At the top, there is a series of V's going all the way across, and then in the center, there's a V that is pointing into the stitch or here the chain below it. On the back, I have a series of loops that are very similar to the back loop you saw on a chain, and in between those loops, those gaps, that's where I'm going to be putting my hook to make the next row of stitches. I'm going to chain 1 for my turning chain, and then I'm going to insert the tip of my hook into that first gap right there for the first stitch. I'm going to make sure I have both loops of the V, yarn over, pull it through the stitch, push it back onto the body, yarn over and pull through 2. So again, insert your hook into the stitch, make sure you have both loops, yarn over, pull through the stitch, and then yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. I know this is a little fast, but I wanted to keep it short and sweet. I know there's plenty of videos out there on how to do the single crochet, but this is just to help you troubleshoot some of the common issues that I've seen beginners have. This is what it'll look like after a few rows. I hope it helps.